Hi guys, it's Alex from AWC, and today we've got our 2023 unit tour. We've just had garage style fit our new flooring, but a few little bits in the customer toilet and also a few little finishing touches in the reception area as well. So in this video, we're going to show you all around our equipment bays, the PPF bay, where we work on cars, reception, the whole lot. Check out the rest of this video and follow me through. So on this side of the unit is where we predominantly do our paint protection film installs. It's because we've got a ramp under here, so a scissor lift that will lift the cars up to a nice safe height. That means we can take the wheels off, we can work in the, on the wheel arches and the calipers. And also when doing detailing in PPF, it's so much easier to get a better finish on the lower parts of the car. Alongside that bay, conveniently next to that, we've got our PPF plotting area. This is where we can use the database. So we log into a database on our laptop called Expel DAP. And that's an online database to pull up every car's pattern. So if I want the Porsche 992 front bumper or the Porsche 992 mirror, I'll be able to download that from the computer to the GraphTech plotter, and then onto this station, I've got a direct pattern to go straight onto the vehicle. Alongside also here, we've got all of our film. So we use Expel PPF, that's paint protection film. So 60-inch rolls, 72-inch rolls, 36-inch. Just gives us a wide variety of different films for all different finishes. Also kind of moving around a little bit in this side of the unit, we've got our infrared lamps. This is what we use to bake on the ceramic coatings. Gives a bit better durability and a better chemical structure when applying a ceramic. And a little bit up here is also really important. This is how we control the temperature in this unit. So we've got two, just check the name, Mitsubishi aircon units. So they keep the unit nice and cool in the summer and also keep us nice and warm in the winter. So not only does that help myself and the staff when working, it also is very, very important for the ceramics and even more important for PPF, because when PPF's cold, it's plastic, so it shrinks like this. And when it's warm, it's more pliable, it's easier for us to use, and therefore a better quality finish at the end. We'll head over to the equipment bay and I can show you around there. So as we come over to the equipment bay, we've also got our second detailing bay in here. The unit can hold up to 7 cars, so that's 2 here, we've got 1 at the end, 3 in the middle, and 1 at the side. Now in this section is where we pick up all our products. The whole idea in how I've created AWC is that everything is systemized. Everything from the products to customers coming in to the handover process is exactly the same every time. So it's a systemized way of collecting your pads, the polishers, the ceramics, and the products, and then you can walk away with your trolley to the bay that you're actually working in. For us, it increases efficiency, and also if you're more efficient and you're not collecting loads of things throughout the day, tends to be a better finish as well. So let's just have a little look at a few different bits and bobs. Obviously we've got our own products here, obviously the AWC range, so that's everything from shampoos to glass cleaners, ceramic detailers. Certainly our best product, the ceramic detailer there, which is popular. And then we've got a few bits from Stana Gloss in here, some really cool stuff, and then just a variety of other bits and bobs there. We've got Fab Seal for roof protection, we've got paint readers and estimators and bits down there. And then over here we've got our ceramic coatings that we use, everything's Car Pro, and a few little other bits and bobs in here where we've got, for example, all our polishes and pads laid out exactly in the order that we use. And again, it just goes back to that efficiency process and systemization. From now, we'll go into the collection bay and then through to the reception. So this is where customers collect their cars. If you've been following us on Instagram, Facebook, social media, anything like that, you'll know that the cars kind of sit in a nice line here. And then we've got the logo behind, keeps everything the same, which is really nice. And also one little smart part is we've got the panel lights across here and 4 windows. So when customers come through reception to collect their car, we have a little chat in there, they're super excited and they can see just a little glimpse of their super shiny car in here. So it's the small little touches. Now coming through to reception, this is an area we spent a lot of kind of investment on in giving that welcome feel. Everything to me that I thought was missing in detailing when I started this 10 years ago was that customer experience. So as soon as you come in, it's got that welcome finish, it smells nice in here, we've got diffusers and fragrances. And then everything from, my initial story of when the business started, so 10 years this year. And then we've got the AWC product range, which is available obviously for customers to purchase or even just pick up and look at. So glass cleaners, snow foam, shampoo, anything like that. And then sofa for customers waiting, plenty of different magazines, bits and bobs, certificates, awards, any little bits and bobs like that. And then over here, we've got a new addition, which is a fridge, which is looking a little bit bare. Need to stock that up. It is a Friday. We've had a few customers in today. And then we've got coffee machine and our AWC mugs, which we're rather happy about, company colours as well. So I hope you enjoyed the unit tour. It's been a dream of mine ever since I started this business to create a facility that's like this, that offered that experience. It made it look like a showroom, and super, super proud of the team's efforts on this. So obviously if you want to pop down, have a little look for yourself, you're more than welcome. We're based in Essex. Or if you just want to follow our social media just to keep up to date with the processes, you're more than welcome. So that is a wrap for our 2023 unit tour video. Thoroughly enjoyed filming this, especially when it's been such a long-term vision of ours to put everything together and get it in place. And again, massive shout out to Garage Style for finishing off the flooring because it looks absolutely superb. If you want to see more content like this, just give us a follow. AWC Car Detailing on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, and we'll see you on the next video.